Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2014 in set 1 for 2 marks. The question is asked on finding the number of teeth by using center distance formula. The question is very simple. Now the question is a pair of spur gear with module 5 mm. Here module is given, module m is equal to 5 mm, then and the center distance of 450 mm. Center distance is given 450 mm is used for speed reduction of 5:1. The number of teeth on pinion is. Now speed reduction is given. Let us say here if I consider gear, larger one is called gear and let us say smaller one is called pinion. Here it is a pinion, right? Now distance between centers of pinion and gear, mating gears, is called center distance. This distance is center distance, which is nothing but radius of gear plus radius of pinion, we can say. Now here speed reduction is 5:1 given. Speed reduction is 5:1. Definitely we know that the speed of pinion is more because of size of pinion is less, as angular velocity of pinion will be more because size of pinion is less. That already we have seen in theory lectures. Therefore this data is angular velocity of pinion divided by angular velocity of gear, which we can say as rpm of pinion divided by rpm of gear. Now we know that power is equal to torque into angular velocity and power is constant. Therefore if torque increases, angular velocity decreases, means torque and angular velocity are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore this ratio, angular velocity of pinion divided by angular velocity of gear, which is nothing but np divided by ng, this ratio becomes torque, number of teeth on gear divided by number of teeth on pinion, and this given as 5:1, that is 5 divided by 1. This is given as 5 divided by 1, which we can write as diameter of gear divided by diameter of pinion. And obvious, gear is larger and pinion is smaller, therefore larger diameter divided by smaller diameter must be more than 1. That is, on larger gear definitely number of teeth will be more, right? Therefore teeth on gear divided by teeth on pinion is more than 1, right? Therefore from this we can say number of teeth on gear is equal to 5 times number of teeth on pinion. This relation we will get. Now come to the given data again. Now module is nothing but diameter divided by teeth, right? This is a formula to find module. Therefore we can say from this diameter is equal to module into teeth, right? Therefore radius is equal to d by 2, which is nothing but module into teeth divided by 2, right? And center distance is given. Center distance is nothing but, can I say, center distance is radius of gear plus radius of pinion. Center distance is radius of gear plus radius of pinion, which we can write as center distance is equal to, instead of radius of gear, there will be mtg divided by 2. Therefore m number of teeth on gear divided by 2 plus m number of teeth on pinion divided by 2. Now let us use this formula. Now with the help of this formula we are going to solve this question. Now let us use this formula and solve this question. Therefore we can say center distance is equal to m tp plus tg divided by 2. Put all the values. Therefore center distance is given 450 mm is equal to, module is given 5, number of teeth on pinion is not given, and number of teeth on gear, that relation we know that number of teeth on gear is equal to 5 times number of teeth on pinion. Therefore we can say plus 5 tp divided by 2. Therefore put here all the values. Therefore the equation becomes 450 into 2 divided by 5 is equal to 6 tp. And from this if I calculate number of teeth on pinion, I will get equal to 30. And in question they are asking what are the number of teeth on pinion. Therefore your answer in the bracket is 30. This answer you will get correct marks. If question is to find number of teeth on gear, then we have to find number of teeth on gear, which is nothing but 5 times number of teeth on pinion, which is nothing but 5 into 30, which is nothing but number of teeth on gear is equal to 150, right? But question is to find number of teeth on pinion. Therefore, for given question, your answer is 30. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on spur gear.